up, y'all? It's your girl, the one and only Give You Face, and I am back. I'm back, baby. Okay, we are back after so long. I did YouTube, maybe the last video I made was maybe 3 years ago, 3 whole years. So I'm just happy to be back with a cool tutorial. And you know, I'm coming back. I'm gonna be coming back doing hair, makeup, you know, anything you guys want to see. We're gonna be doing this look today here, and it's just something fun that I found from an artist on Instagram. Let me go find her name really quick because I do want to give her credit. Yes, this is her page, so go follow her right now. Like I said, if you are new to my channel, welcome, sis. And I mean, if you're coming back and you're still subscribed, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you are notified when I upload a new video. I'm gonna try to upload maybe once a week. We're gonna get these looks out, honey. So like I said, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just continue to watch, and I will see you guys in my next video. I'm going to be going in with this P. Louise base. So this is in number 3. That's what it looks like. I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand and dip into that. I haven't carved out my brows yet, so I guess they're not completely done, but I like to use it for my base, of course. So I haven't even showed y'all what look I'm gonna do. I found this makeup artist on Instagram, and I've been into these crazy looks lately. So let me zoom in. I hope y'all can see that, but that is so freaking bomb. See that eye? I've never done a look like that before, so I just wanted to bring back my channel with a bang. It's been so long. I miss doing YouTube, really. I miss doing it so much. So I'm gonna go in with my Norvina palette. It looks like this. It's so pretty. I've been using it so much lately.
Hold up, let me sip my coffee because it is, what time is it? It's 8 in the morning right now. And this is one of my days off, so this is the only time I have to record. So
I'm just going to take this brush and take this Urban Decay Perversion lipstick. It's black, okay? So I'm going to use that for a base because we want this look to be black, okay? So I'm just gonna take it, and normally I would use a liner, so I'm gonna place that black. And I did not practice this look, so I hope it comes out good, because we did not practice this look before. I'm gonna take this Real Techniques brushes. This is old. I don't know. It's a deluxe crease brush, okay? So I'm gonna just take that. So we're just gonna blend this out until the edges of this are kind of diffused. Like I said, we're gonna blend more later. This is just our base. So I went in with in the Norvina palette, we went in with the color E5. So that is going to be this black on the corner right here. I just used the Morphe M421, and it's just like a little flat brush. I took that black And what you want to do is you want to just pack it on. So I also took the Morphe M562, and this is this little blender brush. This is my favorite freaking brush, okay? So I use that because it's so small and defined. I just use that to kind of like diffuse out the corners. So I'm doing this a little bit at a time, okay? I'm going to take the E4 color right next to that E5 and the Norvina palette. We're just going to take it on the top of that black. So this is the next color I'm using, from the P. Louise base. So this one is white. It is the number 0.
So I did this little this little squiggle. It was hard. So let's hope this whole thing turns out cute, because
so I'm gonna go in with this color B1, and that is this one on top of that white. That color in into one spot at a time. So we're gonna do the green first. So then we're gonna do this purple right next to it, right next to that green, which is this color. This orange. Right on this corner right here, B5, the second color. This brush, this little skinny brush, and I'm gonna take a little bit of that glitter glue and I'm gonna just put it on the green, okay? I'm gonna just wipe that on, and then I use the remainder that's on my brush. I'll dip into the glitter, and we're just gonna pack the glitter on. A little bit of that purple glitter. Grab a little bit of that glitter glue. And just keep repeating the same thing. I'm doing Milk Cosmetics primer. I'm gonna go in with this Real Techniques brush. It is complete coverage. Okay, so I said I was going to do my lashes off camera, which I kind of am, but I wanted to tell you guys what I'm using. So I'm going to be using my lashes from my lash line coming soon. These are called Brunch. They are 100% mink. I'll get more into it in a separate video if you guys want. And I'll show you the different styles that I have. So I am using the I've been using this. I got this from TaylorMade Jane because she started using, and so it is Fenty. So I'm gonna do that and put on my lashes, and I'll be right back. So this is the look. I ended up finishing the look off camera because my battery was about to die. So bear with me. I'm gonna get used to this again. Like I said, it's been so long, but this is the finished look here. It ended up coming really pretty. I ended up pairing it with an orange lip. So I did the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick, and it's called Orange County on the lips here. And then I ended up just throwing on my lashes. Like I said, this is the finished look. It ended up coming out really, really pretty. It came out so good. I ended up liking it a lot. Like, it all just ended up coming together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. And let me know, like I said, what you want to see. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys know the next time I am uploading a video, sis, because you do not want to miss all the looks and the styles that I have coming. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I highly appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.